Good morning. I myself, Solanki Mansi, ID number 21 DCS 117. So my topic is shift microoperations. Let us see the overview. This is the overview. We will see about introduction, logical shift operation, examples, arithmetic shift operations, its example, circular shift operations, and its example. So let us see about introduction. What is shift microoperation? Shift microoperation are an essential aspect of computer programming and data processing. They involve the manipulation of binary digits within a sequence of bytes, which can be used for various purposes such as encryption, compression, and data storage. There are mainly two types of shift operation, logical and arithmetic. We can also include circular shifts. Now let us see what is logical shift. Logical shift operations are used to manipulate binary sequence by shifting the bits left or right. These operations are useful for a variety of applications including data compression, encryption, and error detection. There are two types of logical shift, left shift and right shift. When we move left bits towards the right side, then it is called left bit, and when we move right bits toward the left side, it is called right. Let us see example of it. Here is the example of logical left shift. As we can see 10101. Now we will move it towards the left side. That is 0 is inserted to the LSB 010101 and the 1 is discarded. Now let us see example of right shift. As you can see here that 10101. Now 0 is inserted towards the MSB. When there is left shift, 0 is inserted to LSB, and when there is right shift, 0 is inserted to the MSB. So here 1, that is LSB is discarded in right side, whereas MSB is discarded in the left shift. So the answer will be 01010. Now let us move to arithmetic shift microoperation. Arithmetic shift microoperations are similar to the logical shift operation, but they preserve the sign bit when shifting bit in a sequence. These operations are commonly used in mathematical calculations and data processing applications. There are two types of arithmetic shift left and arithmetic shift right. Now let us see example of arithmetic shift left. Here is the example of arithmetic shift left. So as and when we move towards the right side, it there is no carry discarded. Now this is the arithmetic right shift. Okay, so the number is 10101. The LSB, what is the sign bit will be added to the MSB. If there is sign bit 0, then 0 will be added, and if there is 1, then 1 will be added, and the LSB is discarded. So our answer is 11010. Let us move to circular microoperations. Now, what is circular microoperations? Circular shift circulates the bit in a sequence of register around both ends without any loss of information. As we see that in logical and arithmetic there is loss of information. The last bit is discarded. In circular shift there is no loss of information. So there are following are the two ways to perform the circular shift right and circular shift left. Now, what is there in circular shift left? In this micro operation, the bit is shifted to left one by one. After shifting, LSB becomes empty, so the value of MSB is filled there. What happens in right shift? Operation of each bit is registered in shifted to right one by one. After shifting, the MSB becomes empty, so the value of LSB is filled in there. You cannot uh, come able to see by the theory. Let us see the example of it. What happens in circular left shift? You can here see the answer is 10101. Now the LSB will move to MSB and it is replaced with MSB. 010, 0 1 0 1 1. You can see all the digits are moved towards the 0 1 0 1 will be shifted to MSB side. So the answer will be 0 1 0 1 1. Now let us see about circular right shift. Here is MSB, LSB. So all the MSB will move towards the LSB. So we can see 1 1 0 1 0. So this is the that replace with MSB with the LSB. You can see that there are three types. Conclusion will be there are three types: logical, arithmetic, and circular. What happens in arithmetic and logical? There is loss of information, while in circular there is no loss of information. So that's all about the shift operations. Thank you.